Hello, running a DTF print shop? Then you know exactly how valuable time and materials are. Imperfect client files, hours spent manually arranging layouts, and wasted film that drives up costs. Not to mention compatibility issues with RIT software. But what if there was a tool that solved all these problems? Meet DTF Transfer Studio, the software designed to revolutionize your workflow. Save time, reduce material waste by up to 30%, and create professional prints in just a few moments. Ready to see how it works? Let's start with your files. DTF Transfer Studio seamlessly handles the most popular raster formats. Received a graphic that needs fixing? Instead of sending it back to the client, you can fix it in seconds. You can resize and convert colors to CMYK, adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness to bring out the details, and even remove unwanted backgrounds with a single click. Full control, zero wasted time. The key to exceptional prints is the perfect underbase. DTF Transfer Studio automatically generates spot channels, but that's not all. You can create not just a white underbase, but multiple additional spot channels on a single graphic. You have full control over their parameters, set a precise offset, adjust opacity, and decide whether the layer should be vector or raster. Need a cut path? Add it with a single click. Want to give your designs a unique character? Our advanced halftone and dithering effects let you create soft tonal transitions and stylized vintage graphics. It's not just a great visual effect. These prints use less ink and are more breathable, which significantly increases the comfort of the apparel. And now for the heart of our application: intelligent nesting. Forget about manually arranging graphics. Choose your sheet size, set the spacing, and then select one of several advanced nesting algorithms. Each one is optimized for a different purpose, whether it's maximum material savings or a layout for easy guillotine cutting. In seconds, you'll get a perfectly optimized sheet and saving up to 30% of your film. When your project is ready, export it to the formats you already work with. Our TIFF and PDF files contain all the necessary information, spot channels, and vector cut paths. DTF Transfer Studio is fully compatible with leading RIP software and graphic design programs. Simply export and print. Manage your projects effortlessly. Our unique DTS format stores all imported graphics directly within the project file, so you no longer need to keep them in other locations on your computer. Everything you need is safely in one place. And what about security? Your clients send you copyrighted designs that cannot leave your print shop. Unlike online tools, DTF Transfer Studio is a desktop application, meaning all your files stay securely on your computer. It's a guarantee of confidentiality. And with an intuitive interface available in over 30 languages, you'll feel right at home from the very first launch. Less wasted material, more time saved, perfect prints every time. That's DTF Transfer Studio. Stop wasting time and money. Revolutionize your DTF print shop today. Visit dtftransferstudio.com and download your free trial. Join hundreds of professionals who already trust us.